Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To review a shared PDF that has been sent to your email account by Email Review, open the PDF attachment within the email using Adobe Acrobat 6 or Adobe Reader 7 or later. Then make any comments needed within the PDF. When finished, click the Send Comments button to open a Send Comments dialog box. The recipient's email address and default subject and message text appear within the Send Comments dialog box that launches. You can click into the message to add any additional text if needed. Then click the Send button to open a Send Email dialog box. Select the email application you want to use to send the PDF within this dialog box, and then click the Continue button to send the email with the reviewed PDF attached back to the recipient. To review a document sent for shared review, open the Shared Review PDF using either Adobe Acrobat 10 or Adobe Reader 10 or later to conduct a review. More recent versions of Acrobat and Adobe Reader have more shared review commenting options, so using the more recent versions is recommended. When the PDF is opened, a message box appears that says "Click to connect to the shared review of shared review document name." Click the Connect button within this message box to connect to the shared document. In the next screen, enter the information which will identify you to other reviewers. You will need to enter your email address, name, title, and organization name. The email address and name are required fields. Then click the OK button. At that point, the Welcome to Shared Review screen launches, showing you your review status, profile, and a list of other reviewers. Click the OK button. You can now add comments and markups to the shared document using the comment and markup tools within the application you use to open it. You can check for new comments as you are working by clicking the Check for New Comments button in the yellow message bar at the top of the PDF window. When you are done reviewing the shared document, click the Publish Comments button in the yellow message bar at the top of the PDF window. Adobe will display a message indicating that the comments were published, and they can then be viewed by other reviewers.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.